All right, guys, let's jump right into it. This is my trade plan video this morning. Pretty light on the trades. Didn't get long the indexes to the end of the day, but I want to talk about the CL trade. So I'm going to play my morning trade plan. Then we're going to dive into the trade that I took here, first trade this morning. 65.30. If we get down to 65.30, I'd look for a reversion back higher. That's just kind of be pushing towards the
Okay, so
lower.
there it is. I just obviously don't want to play the whole video. It's over 2 hours long, but talking about getting back down to 65.30 NCL, looking for reversion back higher. So that's exactly what we had. We got down that, this is post that video, but this was the bar. We had this ATR bar down and an expansion of range. This was a 33-point move, and I just actually limited the 65.31s here. And all I was looking for was a move back up into the the lower mid. Now, I actually stepped away from the computer, but this was a great target here at 65, 67. I ended up getting her out around like 65, 80 area. I didn't hold for that whole move. But the dissection of this trade, now, even if you didn't catch the reversion, when we come into those morning trade plan levels that I have, and they trade so accurately, so we have an ATR down 65.30 trades, and then we get up, we make a swing high, we make a higher low, a new swing low, and then we take that high out. And this was the real clean power move higher. We come back into a 50% retracement. Once again, another entry model. We have an inverse fair value gap back up. Just it's like 25 tick moves here, 30 tick moves, but they're still great moves. They're not huge, but that's okay. They're accurate. Like we come down, we rally off that 65.30. We rally what 60 ticks. Then we come back, we rally 25 ticks. We come back, we rally 30 plus ticks. So this was a great opportunity out of today's morning trade plan to take. The indexes didn't quite do what I wanted them to because we ran so hard off the open that there really wasn't pullbacks until basically now, and it's 15 minutes into the close. And I was only looking long today, but it's hard when the move happens so um, late in the day, that pullback, we don't really have enough time. So I'll still be looking for pullbacks potentially in the Asian session or in the overnight session. I do want to set you guys up with what those are in this video. I am going to be looking to limit this 63.37s in ES and 23,328 in the NQ. So those are going to be two trades I'm going to take here in the Asian session. Just a little bit of a tip for you guys here tonight. Try to get this video uploaded as soon as possible. Everybody trade safe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Make sure to please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you there. Take care.